Welcome to my Nordstrom anniversary haul. I'm going to share with you everything that I bought from the sale. I'm also going to share with you some things to look out for during the sale and some tips and tricks at the end of the video so you know how to navigate the Nordstrom sale. As always, everything is linked down below in the description box, and I have these products linked on YouTube Shop. I think we should just jump right in. So everything that I got are just staple pieces that I know I'm going to wear throughout the entire year, and the first one that I'm really excited about are these Dolce Vita mules. So these retail for $125. These are on the Nordstrom anniversary sale for $79.99. So you're saving quite a bit of money with these mules. Now I love these because you can easily transition these right now. So you could wear these straight away in summertime, and you can easily transition them into your fall wardrobe, if not winter, depending on where you live. It may not be that cold. They also have different colors on the Nordstrom sale. I picked it up in this lighter color. I think this is a great fall tone. It's also great because it's basically more of like a neutral color. I also love it because it has a nice kind of padding detail. I have owned mules in the past that were a little uncomfortable to walk in, or they were just a little bit tight. I feel like these are nice and wide enough for my foot, and my heel fit very nicely on the back. So these are very, very comfy. As you can see, there is a little bit of a heel on this, which I appreciate. It's not going to be uncomfortable at all, but it's going to lift up your back foot, so making these even more of like a comfortable shoe. Now I did check out the black in store, and the black colors are really good find as well. The black has more of like a shinier, very almost like worn in looking, and so the black is also a great buy. You can wear these for the office, you can wear these running errands, and you're getting a nice discount straight away on these. So definitely I would add these to your cart. These are one of my fave finds for this year. Another great thing to look out for during the anniversary sale is underwear, and I picked up this Natori bra. If you haven't worn Natori bras, I think you're going to love them. This band is ultra soft. It has a beautiful soft texture. I even like the little detailing on the strap. I think that's really nice as well. Underwire bras or like Natori bras, I usually go to Nordstrom Rack and try to get them like on extra clearance. However, I find when you try to do that, unless you're like a really popular size, you're not going to find your size available in the color that you want. So I think the Nordstrom anniversary sale is a great time to get really quality undergarments in your size, in the color that you want. This retails for $74, and it's on sale right now for $48. It also comes in different colors as well. I went with nude just because it goes with everything. So comfortable on. It comes in a range of sizes as well. And I ordered this in a 34G, and perfect fit. Perfect fit. So comfy. Lifts the girls up. It doesn't feel like you're wearing an underwire bra. Another underwear piece that I picked up are these Natori cotton underwears. I love a new pair of underwear. I feel like I've had some underwear in my drawer since for too long that I think they need to be replaced. This is a great time also to get quality underwear for a discount. Now, these are originally like $20 a piece, but on the anniversary sale, you can get 3 for $48, or you can get them individually, I believe, for just like $16. These are a French cut underwear, and these fit more like the mid-rise sort of, and a fuller coverage bottom. So if you're looking for just like a super comfortable pair that you can just put on, that does not give you any like underwear lines, or it doesn't like tug you in at the waist. I totally hate when I'm wearing a pair of underwear that just like tugs in at your waist area and it doesn't give you a flat, seamless look. These are very seamless, they're very comfortable. And when I was buying them online, all of the reviews on this product were like, I always restock during the anniversary sale. They're the best underwear. I only buy these. So I had to give them a try. I tried them on. I can see why. They're very comfy. They don't tug in. They fit you kind of perfectly at the bottom. So underwear, another great thing to look out for during the sale. Next, I had to pick up the viral pajamas. Now, again, these Nordstrom pajamas are on every Nordstrom anniversary sale. And every year I look at them, I'm like, oh, those are cute. And I never end up getting them. So this is the first year that I got these, and I can see what the hype is all about. Now, these are made up with modal fabric. You know, I love my modal. That is the secret sauce inside the Spanx Air Essentials. So it's a very lightweight, soft, stretchy material. I got these in the short sleeve and the short set. They also have this in a long sleeve short. They also have them in like a sleeveless and a pant. They have different combos. I prefer sleeping with shorts on always. Like for me, if I'm sleeping in the middle of the night and my pant leg like comes up, I cannot stand it. It is like one of my most random pet peeves. This color specifically has sold out. I know this one was really popular last year, but don't worry, they have these like in so many colors. I even went in store, they have a cute stripe, they have plain colors, they even just have black and white. I mean, so many different like color combos that you can get in. I ordered these in an extra large. I did size up. I was not sure how like tight these bottoms would be. I don't like anything too squeezy or too tight, and I'm glad that I sized up. It's not too big, and I'm so happy that I got my hands on these. I cannot wait to sleep in them. Now these pajamas retail for $65 and they're on sale for $43.99. Next up, I picked up a pair of UGG slippers. Now these retail for $100 and they're on Nordstrom Anniversary for $69.99. So you're saving about $30 off these super comfy UGG slippers. I love wearing slippers around the house. I do have a pair of slippers currently and they are literally falling apart. So I was in need of a new pair. And these are made up of 60% wool, 40% lyocell. If you have felt an UGG slipper, you know how soft and cozy they are. They do come in 4 different colors for the sale. I picked it up in the lighter tone and I love them. They are so comfy. I also like how they give you a nice platform, and as you can see, it is just super plush and cozy comfy. These also make a great gift if you have like a girlfriend's birthday coming up, friend, cousin, you know, whomever. Mom is a great like birthday gift or even Christmas time, but I think it's a little early to start talking about Christmas gifting. I think it's a bit too early. Let me know what you think down below on that, or a gift for yourself. I mean, I got all of this stuff for myself. Loving these. I'm so glad that I got these. Now I didn't get too many clothing items, but one of the things that caught my eye online was this scuba turtleneck dress. Now this is an anniversary find for $49.99. A lot of the clothing items are easily over $100. So I thought this was a really great price point for the item that you're getting. This is a super soft and cozy turtleneck dress that goes right above your knee. Now I think the black has unfortunately already sold out, but they do have it in a gray color. This is a great affordable Nordstrom find that really looks high end. The neck is also nice and wide, so if you have makeup on, taking this on and off, it's not gonna like ruin your whole makeup face. And the material, it kind of feels like a heavier version of the Spanx Air Essentials. It has that like cloud-like material. It's not a sweater, it's very soft in luxe, so this is definitely more of like a luxe for less find. And for the anniversary sale, it is $49.99. This is my luxury purchase from the sale, and that is these gorgeous kitten heel leather boots, guys. Now these were the most expensive purchase for the sale, and unfortunately I love them, so I'm keeping them. These retail for $385 and I got these for $269.99, and I did not see these in store when I was picking up my order. I did a browse throughout the entire Nordstrom and these were not on display, so I don't know if these are just hiding or they are only like an online thing. I don't know, but they are so cute. Now I like these because a few different reasons. You can wear these with so many things. As you can see, it has a more narrow ankle shaft area, so if you want to wear a wide leg jean, these are going to fit over these boots perfectly, and the boot is just going to peep out underneath this. It's a very French aesthetic. When I was in Paris for the entire month, I feel like that was very much a French way of wearing boots and jeans. I also love the fact that the heel, we can all handle this smaller heel. It's not too high up and it has a nice curved detailing, so it adds something a bit special. I also love the front. We have a nice curved toe front, which I find gives a very high-end look. It really dresses up all of your outfits, so I love that detail as well. And there are no zippers, okay? So you have to slide your foot in and it's gonna fit perfectly on. I think a zipper is easier to take on and off. It's very easy, but I think because it has no zipper, I think these even look more expensive. Getting them on and off is gonna be a bit more challenging because there is no zipper, but I do think no zipper really gives these a very high-end tailored look. They also have a gorgeous faux kind of croc detailing, so it's not just an all black leather, and these are made with leather. They are leather lined inside and leather exterior. It's just a man-made sole, and inside the shoe is nice and squishy. So overall, comfort, style, and the fact that you can wear these with jeans and really dresses up your look, I think you're getting a really good buy with these. You can also wear these with like longer skirts or longer dresses. Because these are a bit taller than your average ankle boot, you're gonna get away with pairing these more with longer skirts and things. So again, I think these are a really good buy. They look so high end. I don't own a higher shaft ankle boot, and I think that is something that's missing in my closet, which is again a little tip, Nordstrom tip right here. Look for things that you definitely are in need of in your wardrobe. If that is underwear, if that's a new pair of boots, this is a great opportunity to get key staple pieces in great quality materials for a discounted price. By the way, for sizing on these, I got these in a size 41. I think this is like a British brand, so they have them in European sizes. I looked at the size chart and then went with my true size in the size chart, and it fits absolutely perfectly. Now, a similar shoe to the one that I just showed you, so size chart spot on, are these ones right here. I think these are actually a Nordstrom brand shoe. These are very similar, but these are just a knee-high boot, and we have that gorgeous kind of croc detailing going on. We have a smaller kitten heel, and we also have that nice zip up, so you could easily get in and out of these shoes. There's also a little elastic at the top part, so you can get your foot in and out of these. Now, I do have smaller calves. However, if you have a wider calf, this is a bit more on the kind of straight edge style, so I do think these are going to fit more calf sizes than other like to the knee boots. Now, these retail for $180 and they're on sale for $120, so you're getting like $60 off of these boots. Now, I think the black has gone before our eyes, but they do offer this in a gorgeous like darker green color. I saw them in person. They don't look too green at all. They're almost like a matte color, so I think even though the black is gone, I think that color would work really well with a lot of different dresses and things. They also have this in a full-on gray taupe color. For sizing on these, I ordered these in a size 10. I'm a 9.5. The 10 fits fine. I did have to wear a thicker sock, so these run true to size. I think a 9.5 would be fine as well, but depending on if you like your shoes a bit looser, so you could wear any kind of sock, maybe size up half a size, but I think your true size in these is the best bet. Another pair of shoes. I did a big shoe order and I have one more to share with you, but I think shoes again are such a great item to get during the sale. You can get winter boots, ankle boots, you can get casual sneakers, you can get mules. There's so many good shoes on sale right now. So I picked up a new pair of workout shoes from On Cloud. First of all, I like this simplistic kind of style. The footbed is nice and squishy. I have been doing more working out. I think it was time for a little shoe upgrade, so I got these in my true size. These retail for $150 and they are on anniversary for $111. So you're saving about $40 on these shoes. Now, these I know are super comfy. I know people swear by this brand. This is actually my first pair from them, and I'm really excited to start wearing these working out, walking. These are actually a combo running sneaker, so if you want to run, they're extremely lightweight too. Like, they're a very lightweight shoe. They come with these elastics already on, so you don't even have to tie these up. They're just gonna fit you perfectly. But of course, they come with shoelaces that you can put on the shoe. I probably will put these on just on the sale. They do have more of this brand on sale. They have other running sneakers, walking shoes. So I will leave a few linked down below. I got these in my true size, 9.5, and they fit perfectly. So I'm really excited for these as well. And the last shoe, I promise, the last shoe, let me know if you love shoes too, because I don't want to feel so guilty. And I'm a shoe girly. I'm a shoe girly to know if you had to pick a full-on purse closet or your dream shoe closet, let me know what you would pick down below. I'm gonna tell you right now, I think I'm a shoe girly. I would love to see like my dream shoes, but I have been getting into more purses lately, so I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Which one do you prefer more? I picked up some new Adidas. Aren't these so freaking cute? These are the Adidas Gazelle Fun Navy color, which adding a pop of color into your outfit without changing like your entire outfit, so you could wear a full-on white look and then add on these sneakers for a fun kind of interest to your outfit. Pro tip, these are actually a men's shoe. So I know the women's Gazelles have already sold out on the Nordstrom sale. They had a gorgeous like neutral. That went by so fast, but these are still available. Now, because these are a men's shoe, you have to get them in your men's size. So I'm a size 8 in men's. So you just take your true size, I'm a 9.5, and you minus 1.5. So whatever you are, just minus 1.5, and that's your men's size. If you want to get these for yourself, be sure you're ordering it in your men's size. And I feel like all the Pinterest girlies are popping these on. They add a really cool, in my opinion, like a very Parisian chic look to your outfits, and these are really comfy. I have the Sambas, and I feel like these are a little bit more comfortable than the Sambas. I'm not sure why. I think they're a little bit wider at the toe box, and there's a nice arch support support in these as well, like really, really nice arch support. So there goes what I bought during the sale. Now I'm gonna go over some things to look out for during the sale that caught my eye. First up, you have the Waco Red Carpet Strapless Bra. This is a Nordstrom Anniversary classic pick, and it is now under $50. So I have paid full price for this just because it's my fave strapless bra. If you have a larger chest and want to know how to style a larger chest, I have a whole video on that. I will leave it linked here. And I do recommend this bra in that video. And the reason why I love this as a strapless, you have a wider band. You also have a nice padding detail underneath this bra. So even though it's an underwire, it's still really comfortable to wear. Comfortable in terms of like there's padding. It does lift your girls up. It basically defies gravity. So I will say it's not like you're not wearing a bra, okay? You're wearing a strapless bra. And for me, we're lifting up G cups, all right? So you definitely need that padding and support. There's also that rubber detailing along the front bits of this bra. There's also a mesh right here. So in the summertime, when you're wearing this bra, it's not gonna get you too hot. There's also removable straps that you can wear with this. So if you have a one shoulder dress, you can easily kind of play around with how you want to wear your straps with it. This is a great buy right now for the anniversary sale. If you haven't tried this bra, if you're in need of a strapless, definitely get this one. I'm telling you, it's my favorite strapless. I have it in black, I have it in nude, and I will swear by this one. I haven't found a more favorite strapless yet, so they're saying that. There's also some great pieces from Spanx on sale, including the Air Essentials crew neck sweater. And originally this Spanx Air Essentials sweater is $118. On sale right now it's $79. A great one. They also came out with it in this gorgeous like matcha green color. They also of course have your Spanx faux leather leggings on sale. It's definitely a classic. If you don't have your Spanx faux leather leggings, it's a great staple for the winter time. It's so cute with like a pair of sneakers and an oversized sweater, so definitely a must for your list. We also have the base luggage and weekender bag. I'm surprised this has not sold out yet. Maybe by the time this video goes out, it might be sold out. But again, a best-selling luggage. I know last year the suitcase sold out like on day one, so maybe it's the color, it's a pink color, or maybe everyone got it last year. But really great suitcase. I don't need a new suitcase, so I did not pick it up. But again, if you're on the market for a suitcase, it retails for originally $230. It's $160 right now during the sale. And also the weekender is also on sale. Instead of $138, it is $102. So travel bags, suitcases. Now this Coach bag definitely caught my eye. It's originally $298 and it's on sale for $196. Full-on leather bag, shoulder bag. I like the minimalistic style. There's a few other Coach styles on the Nordstrom sale that I definitely think you should take a peek at. I think they're really cute. I know Coach has been having this renaissance of new styles, and I think that it's very classic. So some great things to look out for are fall boots, sneakers. They also have some great coats as well. I did try on this Ralph Lauren faux shearling coat in store. I thought it was really adorable. Really great price as well. It's $100 off. There's also a Madewell leather bag on sale. So some great quality pieces that you can find. Another tip is to create a Nordstrom account online. You can easily shop online and then add things to your wish list, and you can see from your wish list what has sold out already. Like I'm on my wish list right now, and this gorgeous pair of cotton pajamas that I really wanted sold out, and I was a bit bummed because this pattern is stunning. But if you're interested, they have the nightgown version available. It's like a light poplin cotton. I was so bummed. So you can see what has sold out already. I ordered this belt. They didn't deliver it because it was sold out. This Reese coat sold out. So things are going by. So definitely if you have found something in this video that you liked, hopefully you have, or you want to just browse on Nordstrom to see what you can find, definitely now is the time to check it out. This dress that I picked up also sold out. This is the Zelle workout dress. I thought it was a really cool kind of workout combo dress that you can wear actively and also maybe for taking a walk outside, running errands. It mixes in that tank style dress, but it's a kind of workout top. And there's actually a built-in bra on this, which I really like. So it's basically a sports bra and a long maxi skirt is attached to it. If they restock it, I will link it down below and on the screen as well. So there goes my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. Let me know if you are shopping the sale, what you are looking for, and the most important question, are you a shoe girly or a purse girly? What would your dream closet look like? Amazing bags or amazing shoes? I want to know. I really want to know. So with that, I hope you guys have a super awesome rest of your week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.